can't figure out how to turn that on, so I ain't cooking no spicy ass shit today. But instead, do a bike check. Aw shit, man. We got a bike check for y'all today. Now this right here, Brandon Vegan Custom Paint. He didn't paint him himself, but I took it from Brandon Vegan. That's why I have Weedmaps sponsorship, because Weedmaps is Weedmaps, you know. So, moving on to the wheels. We got, most people put a tennis ball in here. Who do you think I am? Basic Street Lord? No, I'm riding a 24 inch. Who do you think I am? So we keep a lean cup in here. You know, just in case I need some lean, I just take that shit out. Yo, Beto, give me up some lean. Goes and fills them up. So these wheels right here are Colony hubs. I got Colony Wasp in the rear because I don't run no free coaster because Spencer Forsman doesn't run free coaster, so I'm not gonna. We got, these pegs are actually made by Tyson. Now Tyson is the man. I took these off of Jacob's bike and I put them on, but something special about these. They ain't no ordinary pegs. They're also an ashtray. Now, you know, we got some cigarettes. When I'm chooching on the cigarette, I just pop it on in there.
Well, that's better.
It's all good. And these are Odyssey rims. Don't know what rims are, but they're Odyssey. And we got some NS bars. Stem. The stem is an NS. I'll have to edit that part out. And these are Bike Market bars with some Colt grips. You know why I bought these Colt grips? Because I watched the Colt video, 2016 one, link in the description. There was the commercial part where the dude's like, all right! That's why I bought these grips.
Now, back to our program.
All right! These grips. Now we're moving on to the frame here. Beautiful frame. It's a little steep, but you know, it's street. It is a NS Capital frame for 24 inch because 24 inches are, if you're not riding a 24 inch, I guess you're on a BMX bike and I'm just sorry. I mean, I can't ride those things. Make my ass itch. And we got a hub guard. Noah gave me that to put on there. What's the hub guard called?
Division.
It's a Division hub guard. Then we got some Spanx spoons. No, not the kind you eat with, the spoon. They were like $80 pedals. I don't know, metal, because I don't run no plastics because they slip and make my ass itch. But we got that random bar in here, random Colt bar in there. Because if you want to be street, I mean, come on, let's be serious. You gotta have freaking random colors everywhere. And now we got these Deity cranks. They're 165. Yes, 165 millim somethings. They're perfect. When I land tailwhips, you don't even have to hit your feet on the pedals. You just put them on the cranks. And then we got these right here. These are called forks. If you didn't know that.
They're NS forks.
They're NS forks. Beautiful. Now, we got this here, volume seat. I got it from my buddy Tyson. Tyson, we love you. Keep it up. Keep up the good work. You're amazing. And we got a purple, once was purple, Deity seat post. I sanded that thing down. Now it's silver because who wants purple? Purple's a woman color. Oh no, they're gonna get triggered now. But yeah, we got some oil slick down in here. Just a nice oil slick.
What tires do you have on?
I got the power blocks.
That make you go real fast.
Make you go fast. They don't chirp. If they chirp, they'd be perfect, but I run skinny tires because I ain't about that thick life. I mean, if it's a thick booty, I'm about that. But it's a tire, so I don't care. So, I know you all might be wondering, what the hell is that line there? Some tweaker don't color that shit? No, I was like, oh boy, about these light things, and I came up with this. I'm like, cool. And then Brett Reeder stole my idea. He fucking did it all over his bike. I'm like, Brett Reeder, come on. Now I'm just gonna look like a joke. And then, Primo chain, loose chain gang.
That's for Stevie, the Primo chain.
Yeah, Primo chain for Stevie. And, Connie Sprocket, because Connie is, let's just be honest, it's Connie. Connie, poor man's elite. You ever wanted an elite? Connie. Connie. DT Swiss spokes with a gold spoke in there somewhere. Why not? You gotta have the bling.
These wheels are also hand built by Thomas.
Why? I laced them and I tensioned them, and then Brandon fixed them. Took me 48 hours, but I laced them. I was very proud of it. I have a time lapse of it, maybe. You might get to see that. But yeah. Oh, you can't forget about these valve caps. I took these off of some random car. I thought they looked cool because they got a little green in there. I saw some M3 valve caps, some BMW ones, but then the man came out and said, God damn it, who's that taking off my valve cap? And I went, oh shit. And I tried to run, but my pants were too low. My pants were so low they fell down. Can't have that happen, you know how it is. Yeah, I run 60 PSI in the tires, 60 PSI gang. I ain't about that 15. I'd be riding rims then. Yeah. See you guys next one.
Dave Rowe knows all too well how it feels to have his home broken into.
Yeah, and see, that's what the problem was. Because I heard him first. I said, hold on. I said, hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Because then I start to taste them. I say, and then I start to smell them. So it's like a smell like taste like. I was like, so I knew something was wrong. I knew something special about it. You know? So
what did you do when you heard the intruder?
I ran upstairs. I had to run. And I had to do what that little girl, what's that little girl in the Holocaust? She had Anne Hathaway, Frankie Beverly. Anne Frank, that's a hiding bitch, ain't it? I had to get up the stairs. So he had so much rhythm. When he was walking up the stairs, he said, doom, doom, doom. Bitch, I started to almost beatbox up in the closet. Oh, boom, boom, boom.